everyone, I'm BeanBlossomArt. Most people know me as just Bean Online, but my real name is Mazzy. I'm 26 years old, and I am an artist and aspiring content creator. A lot of people always love to ask, when did you become serious about making art? But if I'm being honest, there was never really a moment where it dawned on me that I wanted to be an artist and make it my life's work. I always just knew that's what I wanted to do. It's just who I am. Growing up, I watched my mom paint giant pictures and make custom art for people from all different walks of life. So watching her, I would take her how to draw horse books or how to draw face books and just copy them. I would do all of the tutorials in these books, and I would always get so upset why my stuff didn't look as realistic as it was supposed to, even though I followed the tutorial at what I thought was to a T. I was like 5, so it made a lot of sense why I didn't look the way that it was supposed to. But when I got a little older, I would say about like younger teens, I got really into color pencils, markers, and acrylics. I was pretty good with traditional work at the time. When I turned 12, I got my first tablet for my birthday. Little did I know, it would change my art journey forever. I admired so many digital artists back then. It was about 2011-2012 era of DeviantArt when I got really into digital artists. However, I didn't put down traditional art for quite a while. It was my comfort medium, so I held on to it for a while and just continued practicing digital art at the same time. This would slowly shift until I was maybe about 18 or 19, where I just kind of stopped drawing traditionally as much. However, it is something that I really want to get back into, and I kind of thought maybe through this channel I could explore that a little bit more. I'm not 100% sure what else I want to do with this channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of experimenting, a lot of figuring out what works for me. I know that I want to do like challenges, tutorials maybe, if you guys see stuff from me that you would really like to know how I do, and just anything fun that really comes to mind. So here's to a new creative journey. And if you would like to support me on my journey, I sell prints and stickers in my online shop, BeanBlossomArt.com. I will leave links below. I also do commissions. I will leave links for that. It is my card.co right now that I have all of my commission info on. And I think that's about it for me. Like, comment, share if you would like to, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.